Hi everyone! Welcome to Tokyo Kitchen Japanese cooking class. I'm Yoshimi. Today I'm going to show you how to make pirikara TUNA MAYO ONIGIRI. It's onigiri rice balls with tuna mayo filling, and today I'm making it a bit spicy. At the end of the video, I will show you how I built a menu with this pirikara TUNA MAYO onigiri, so stay with me till the end. Okay, let's get started. These are what you need. 2 cups of Japanese rice, canned tuna, I'm using 2, and this one is 80 grams per can. 2 teaspoons of soy sauce, 3 tablespoons of mayonnaise, Japanese Kewpie mayo if available, some sriracha sauce, and nori seaweed. I'm going to prepare the rice first, so let's rinse it. Put some water. Stir gently. Drain. And just repeat this 3 or 4 times. Put the rice in the pot. It's 2 cups of rice, so I'm adding 2 cups of water. Japanese rice and water is always 1:1. Cover with the lid and let it sit for half an hour to give enough time for rice to soak up the water to the core, so the rice is nice and fluffy to the core when it's cooked. In the meantime, let's make the tuna mayo filling. Drain canned tuna. This one is in oil, but you can use the one in brine. Press it to drain it really well. And in another bowl. If you're using chunky tuna, break it down and try to make it as flaky as possible. Let's add mayonnaise, soy sauce, and sriracha sauce, just your amount. Give it a mix. Let's try. Little more sriracha sauce for me. And spicy tuna mayo filling is ready. It's been half an hour, so let's start to cook the rice. Just turn the heat on and bring it to boil over medium-high heat. Once it comes to boil, turn the heat to low as you can go and let it cook for 12 minutes. Cooked for 12 minutes. Turn the heat off and let it steam at least for 10 minutes. No sneak peeking. Steam for 10 minutes, so let's fluff it. Put the cover back on and cool down to slightly warm. I left the rice for nearly an hour and it's slightly warm. Make sure the rice is not too hot when you're making tuna mayo onigiri. It will melt the mayonnaise in the filling. Prepare some salt, cold water. This is to wet your hands. The rice is really sticky, so you need to keep your hands wet all the time. And a small bowl to standardize the size of each onigiri. Okay, let's make them into onigiri. Wet the mold with some water. Not too soggy. Put some rice. With wet finger, make a little dent. Put some filling as much as you like. But try not to be too greedy. It will make it difficult to make it into onigiri. Little more rice on top to cover the filling. Wet your hands to the palm completely. Put some salt all over your hands. Take the rice out and try to make it into the signature triangle shape. Let me show you one more time. This time, my view. Wet the mold. Put some rice. Make a dent. Put the filling. Little more rice. Wet your hands. Put some salt. Take it out on your hand and into triangle shape. I made 7 regular size onigiri and 1 baby onigiri for the tasting. Let's wrap them with nori seaweed. This is a longer side and this is a shorter side. Slightly longer, slightly shorter. Let's cut it into 3 like this. Fold 1/3 in. Fold it backwards. And cut. Fold it into half. Fold it backwards. And cut. There is a shiny side and rough side. This is a smooth side and this is a rough side. Put the onigiri on the rough side so the shiny side goes outside of your onigiri and it looks prettier. With wet fingers, put onigiri like this. Fold it down, fold it down, tuck the bottom in. One more time. Onigiri in the middle. Fold it down, like a jacket. Tuck the bottom in, and it's done. Let's do the same for the baby onigiri. And いただきます。My family loves this onigiri, and I know why. Delicious! This is how standard Japanese combo style meal looks. Rice, soup, main, 1 or 2 side dishes. Spicy TUNA MAYO ONIGIRI goes here, and let's have pork miso soup here. Spinach and egg salad for one of the side dishes, and some sort of pickles, either store-bought or homemade for the other one. There are enough protein in these dishes, so let's pass the main. I hope you enjoy the meal. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. More videos coming up, so don't forget to subscribe and turn the notification bell on so that you don't miss anything. Bye!